Hello everyone, happy Saturday. We're here at my sister-in-law's house with Michelle. She's making some split pea soup and they're not here right now, so I figured I'd set up out in the backyard, our beautiful backyard, for a little bit of QRP under the Royal Poinciana tree. And I am using today the sBitx version 3. I'll tell you about that radio in a minute. What I think about it. I've only used this thing total like 25-30 minutes. Not my favorite radio, but I'll get into that after. So we have that with my little Bioenno, and everything fits in the bag. I just throw the bag in the truck and away I go. Everything fits in there. And I got my Chameleon Tactical Delta loop set up right now, and no tuner. That thing does a lot of bands without a tuner needed. So beautiful day out here. Nice shade. I wish I had shade like this in my backyard. So Port St.Lucie, Florida here. And after getting on a little 17-meter activity net just to get a signal report, and then I might switch over to some Olivia or PSK and do some keyboard to keyboard chat. So let's see if I can make contact or two here.
Sister's house. He's 10 watts in the backyard with lots of noise, and he was tough copy. KJ4YZI, KJ4YZI. Portable QRP, go.
All right, let's see what happens. This is Kilo Juliet 4, Yankee Zulu India, about 10 watts in Port St. Lucie, Florida. Who can hear me?
In Minnesota, 5-2.
Try some 10 meters QRP here. Kilo Juliet 4, Yankee Zulu India.
KJ4 Yankee Zulu India, thanks. You about 5x5 here in California.
Thanks for the 5.5 California, about a 5.3-ish here on 5 watts QRP, Roger.
Where are you located?
Port St. Lucie, Florida, in the backyard at a friend's house, over. Kilo Juliet 4, Yankee Zulu India.
KJ4YZI, Jeff, West Virginia.
All right, thanks. It's Eric in Florida, 5 watts QRP, Roger.
Thank you, Eric.
Okay, that's working.
KT4TVZ from Norway 8, India. Yankee something, Jerry, Arkansas.
Kilo Juliet 4, Yankee Zulu India, Eric in Florida, Roger.
Okay, give me the Kilo Juliet 4, give me the last 3 again.
Yankee Zulu India, Yankee Zulu India.
Say KJ4YZI, Jerry, Arkansas.
Roger, Eric in Florida.
What's the name?
Eric, Echo Romeo, India, Charlie.
Got it, Eric. Thanks for hanging in there. Boy, the QSB is horrible. 73, Alpha Bravo 5, Sugar Echo.
So on 20 meters, this thing opens up and sounds pretty good.
Okay.
Well, I would think that Vox would have more. That radio would have enough more built-in
Plus 20
preamp.
there. So there's some of the signals on here.
Uniform 5 Alpha. CQ contact. 5 Alpha.
Kilo Juliet 4, Yankee Zulu India.
KJ4 Yankee Zulu India. Yeah, Charlie Alpha Tango, Texas.
Roger, Eric, Echo Romeo, India, Charlie in Florida. All right, so as far as this radio, I've never been 100% excited with it. I know there's a glare here. All you see is me holding a phone in a shirt, but to give you an idea, this is what the screen looks like, right? And it seems that the sensitivity for receiving stuff is just not what my ICOM 705 is, not at all. I know this is a totally different kind of radio, but for a newcomer to the hobby, I would suggest not getting this radio as a new radio as your first time. Okay, this is something that you would tinker with. You know, it's built on a Raspberry Pi. You can see that stuff there. You could do your own operating systems on here. You could load custom software. You could, you know, the whole thing. Look, I got all kinds of, look, I got FL Digi for digital modes. I got WSJTX on there and more, you know. But if you're thinking that this was, what, $379 when I bought it. If you're thinking this is the do-all, end-all, I'm going to say no. I'm going to say no. But to add to what I have, absolutely, it's cool. I could set up in the backyard here, like you see here. Beautiful backyard with the Chameleon Tactical Delta loop. And I'm assuring you that this says it puts out more than, it puts out 25 watts. I'm getting 5 watts off this thing, 5, 6 watts. So maybe a problem. I know the earlier ones like this had problems with the finals. That's why they came with new finals in the box, so that if they were weak, you can replace the MOSFETs. I'm going to have to put this on the bench and check it out with you know, a service monitor and stuff, and see exactly how much power is coming out of this thing and how much audio, because I did make this microphone, the one that comes with it, not usable at all. Not usable at all. I took this old TID radio mic and I wired a 3.5 millimeter on here, and I can tell you that's really good audio response on this microphone. So if you get one of these and it comes with that little hollow sounding plastic Baofeng microphone that comes with this originally, you're going to want to change that. But other than that, hey, 5 watts, man, out in the backyard in Port St. Lucie, just playing under the Royal Poinciana tree. You can do it at 5 watts. Thanks for checking out the video, and I got a couple more coming that I've been waiting on for a while. So happy weekend, happy Saturday, guys. Get on the air, get on QRP. It can work.